In this demo, I'll walk you through how a manager named Miriam Graham arranges, prepares, and conducts a one-on-one with a direct reporter app. Your users will find TeamFlect right inside the Teams app. The button on the left-hand side. You can sign in with your Microsoft credentials. No need for creating an extra username, password. It's all integrated. In the home page, thanks to this integration, you can see an overview of your one-on-one relationships with your manager and your direct report. We also have a concept we call Focus People, which allows you to track your one-on-ones in scenarios like mentor-mentee relationship or a newcomer-buddy relationship. You can easily see the list of your last one-on-ones with the people that matters most to you. With the help of Outlook calendar integration, you can track the approaching one-on-one dates, and if you don't have any, you can see when was the last one-on-ones you had. The column left to it allows you to get informed on what happened since your last one-on-one meeting. For example, Alex Wilbur has received 2 recognitions, 2 feedbacks, and completed the 2 tasks you were assigned since then. With a click of a button, you'll be able to arrange a new and enhanced one-on-one meetings. You don't need to match your calendars with the other side, as it will show you the mutually available time slots automatically. In order to make your meetings more meaningful, you can add talking points to let other participants know about the agenda beforehand and be prepared accordingly. As we use MS Teams' native scheduling capabilities, all the meetings you create using TeamFlect will directly be on your Outlook and Teams calendar. Before the meeting is set, we'll send a reminder to both participants through Teams chatbot. This rich content reminder will suggest talking points to you and will let you add them to the one-on-one meeting. If you need to make a more detailed preparation for the meeting, which we always recommend, you can have a look at your past one-on-ones and take a look at your notes. Your company can also add custom suggested talking points here to help and guide you during your one-on-ones. All the past activities, including previous recognitions, feedbacks, and tasks that took place between a selected time period, will appear here to help you stay on track and have a relevant conversation during the meeting. Now comes my favorite feature. Let's see how all these scenarios come together with the meeting extensibility function. What's the point of one-on-one tool if you can't use it during the one-on-one meeting, right? With the new extensibility feature, it's extremely easy to integrate TeamFlect to your online one-on-ones and simply upgrade them. We all know that with the current situation, online meetings are increasing significantly. Like I mentioned, you can launch TeamFlect during the meeting. When you launch TeamFlect during the meeting, you'll be able to access all the features it offers in this right pane. Even if you miss adding talking points beforehand, you can still see suggestions on what to discuss and decide to add them to the conversation. Both parties see their own personalized views and information sets. However, their views are also synced, so both parties can track each other's updates in real time. To document the action items of the meeting, you can assign tasks to a participant with a due date. The progress of the tasks can easily be tracked in the TeamFlect after the meeting with the intelligent reminders. The pane also allows you to take both private and shared notes. So, you're done with the one-on-one meeting and you want to document your feedback. All you have to do is open the TeamFlect app again and click the new feedback button. You can provide feedback instantly using customizable templates. Keep in mind that you can also request feedback for yourself or someone on your team as well.